Stop stressing about the past and dabbling in stressing about the future. We bring so much pressure on ourselves. No wonder we feel stressed. We don't just worry about the things facing us today. No, we're adventurous. We go back into the past of things we cannot change, things that are done and dusted, things which you can't resurrect, you can't fix. And we bring those worries into today because we're worrying about the past. Worse than that, rather than just preparing for the future, oh no, let's worry about the future. Now, the future is going to come and we should prepare for it. That's fine, but there's absolutely no need that we should be worrying about the future before it even gets here. Prepare for it, but don't worry about it. These are simple things we can easily fix to lower our stress, control our emotions by controlling our thoughts. It works.